do not comply. Ask Caitlin Biddy if they require a mask and I don't buy. Pay me for my speech, thought it was free, but I see that's a lie. Regardless, I'm fly, got a message for the FBI. January 6 was lit, hey, I do not condemn. They said I love them.
Oh no, what is this? You're gonna do more here? You're gonna do more hearings? Oh no. What are us Donald Trump supporters gonna do? We're the most venerable, most popular, most legitimate January 6th committee hearing persons come out and beat them up again during prime time. I can't take it anymore. Dear God, I can't take it. You guys what? I'm definitely gonna support Joe Biden. Orange man, super duper man, just stop beating up on him, alright? Please. You guys got me. Oh wait, hold on, what's this? This is fucking CNN, by the way. The fact that this headline's come from CNN is just pure MAGA porn. And I like my MAGA porn. Dark. CNN politics. Donald Trump has become more popular since the January 6th Capitol attack. Give me 2 seconds to Jeffrey Tubin. Trust me, it lasts longer than that, but just right now. 2 seconds. Wow. Hello. How's it going for you dumb assholes? No, for cereal. Oh my God, it's for cereal. January 6th was like the worst thing ever. This guy's really good. He's been banging on about this for over a year. You dumb fuckers are holding primetime committee hearings. You're forcing this into the households of anybody who still watches fucking television through a cable box these days. You gotta watch this. Nothing else on TV. Disney Plus. Turn off all of their streaming. No, you gotta watch this. Or Obi-Wan, that sucks. No. Guys, working real hard. Working real hard to make people hate Donald Trump. That's fascinating. You told me that he was worse than Osama fucking bin Laden, carrying out the world's largest domestic terrorism attacks that this country's ever seen. He's more popular than ever. It's almost like everybody understands CNN is full of shitbag kid fuckers. It's almost like everybody understands that the media industrial complex is out to get Orange Man. And everybody hates the media way more than they hate Donald Trump, even normies. Congress has an approval rating of 9%. Go fuck yourself. All of you idiots whining and crying about January 6th, nobody cares. When your average person is at the gas pump and is clicking over the 3 digits, they're sitting there going, motherfucker. They ain't saying motherfucker to Donald Trump. They're sitting there going, that potato Joe Biden, that son of a bitch, with a white that looks like Alice Cooper with AIDS. They mad at him. But nobody gives a fuck about Putin. Nobody gives a fuck about January 6th. Nobody cares about any of this. Because January 6th wasn't a thing. Oh, I could just somebody at FBI headquarters. Oh my God, he did it. Arrest him right now. Stack up and arrest the cracker. Nobody cares. We light fireworks on January 6th. Dude, we light off a lot of firecrackers on January 6th. Just to piss you idiots off. Oh my God, what are they doing? I'm celebrating the fact that you idiots tried to conduct a coup on January 6th. You idiots. This whole January 6th is fucking fake as fuck. You tried to do it, and it didn't work, and nobody's listening to you. Nobody's buying it. You said it was worse than 9/11 and Pearl Harbor combined. You're fucking stupid people. And your average person isn't as stupid as you, and they're not as gullible as you. So you get this. This is CNN, by the way. Donald Trump has become more popular since January 6th Capitol attack. Former President Donald Trump still manages to dominate the political headlines. Nearly a year and a half after leaving office. On Thursday, the House Select Committee investigating the January 6th attack on the Capitol used the first prime-time hearing to make the case that Trump uses power to overturn the 2020 election result. Nobody gives a fuck. Nobody cares. Well, we'll just hold more of them. Good. Who cares? Good. Waste more fucking money. Waste more money. You dumb assholes. You got all these crying bitches. This dude over here, this bug eye, is totally not into Wayfair cabinets. Don't question that. Look at all of these people. This fucking dude's a chick right here, pretending to be a dude who's a chick who's a dude. Trump Thunderlands, right? Don't worry about it. What a mess. And then they have to be like, oh shit, man. Well, it's like he is like the worst thing. He's way worse than Hitler, actually, because Hitler had a dog. But like, people like turn against him. Yeah. Yeah. Damn right. Because I see what's going on. When you come out with a straight face and you tell me that January 6th were 6 fucking broken windows, and again, arrest the people who broke windows, charge them, give them the same. Listen, we're supposed to have an equal application of law. Hold them to the same regard that you held any of these BLM tards. Oh, whoops. BLM's fucking killing people and ain't arresting anybody. I'm not gonna lose any sleep over broken windows. Again, I'm not condoning it. Don't break windows, because I gotta pay for it. And again, if you go to the Capitol and you break windows, arrest them, charge them for breaking a window. I think that will probably carry a sentence of probation for about a week. It's not terrorism. He ain't charging anybody with terrorism. He ain't charging anybody with a gun crime. He ain't charging anybody with attempted murder. He ain't charging. You're only charging people at the only convictions that you've had over January 6th. I think you've had 4 of them right now. It's criminal fucking parading. Get off my fucking nuts. It's the worst thing ever. You're dumb and you've been assaulted by CNN, MSNBC, Facebook, and Google. You dumb assholes. But the vast majority of the planet is not Twitter, and they recognize that this isn't a thing. Nobody cares about January 6th. And this whole article is like, oh, come on, like materials, like, how is he more popular now than he was back in 2020? Yeah, fuck yeah, get it done. Oh my god, like, if he went, like, head-to-head with Joe Biden right now, Joe Biden would lose. Joe Biden lost in 2020, by the way. Hate to break it to you, you fucking idiots. And so they're like, oh my god, hey Democrats, just a reminder, your base is not very liberal. Now, your average normally right now is begging, pleading, demanding that Orange Man comes back. So much so that while you are right now pushing with all of your soy might to propagandize and gaslight normies that Donald Trump is laterally an Osama bin Laden, it's not working. This is only going to help Donald Trump. Just like your fucking impeachments. Every time you impeach him, I wanted you to impeach him. Impeach him for a 4th fucking time with this. Impeach him again. Every time you impeach Donald Trump, it makes him more popular. This is the Obi-Wan fucking Kenobi of politics. Come at him. Please. It's awesome. It's great. It's great fodder for my channel. It's great for the base. It's great for everything. And so this, again, I don't know what planet you fucking idiots come. You should be all kicked out of the house because you're fucking stupid. Because you don't understand at this point that doing this is only going to lead to a higher approval rating for Donald Trump. That's all that's going to happen. And if you don't understand this, then you shouldn't be a representative because you're fucking stupid. But bang on. Run this until 2024. Please do this every fucking night on all these stupid channels. Please, I'm begging you. Keep doing this. Because it'll only make the dude stronger. MAGA King rises. Ultra Dark MAGA Emperor. Coming. Get it done. More popular than ever, despite everything left those out. Love it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Support and chat. If you want to be kept up to date with the ascension of Ultra Dark MAGA Emperor, God, King, somebody to the shut up. Hit that subscribe button and make way, because the salt must flow.